Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello bro. My name is Trihila Nugroho. Born in Magelang, 8 December 1995. Here will tell you a little about my life journey from graduating high school until now. That I was from this point that my life journey began. So this is my friends. It's hard to be happy, not only in love but in the experience of sharing thought identity, also experience a variety of flavor. Beginning to enter 2060, where I was involved in the world of work, which previously only understood playing and having fun. Yeah, but now I have. Okay, guys, let's continue. But now I have to really struggle in myself to grow up again and look for experience out there. I had to get out of the comfort zone to find work and finally registered at a retail company under the name PT Midi Utama Indonesia Tbk, which is known as Alpha Midi, and finally I was received and placed in the Semarang branch with the position of a shop assistant. Yeah, okay. Uh, after worked a few months there with less condition like the system work, maybe because of it was only the first time in the world of work, certainly was set to the responsibilities. Honestly, that time still like no caring about teamwork at work, and there was one incident where I had to resign from that job. Yeah. Okay, continue. And the time had to fight with my team matters because of trivial matter, and I did not receive the treatment, so it might as fight. Yes. I didn't to go out and go home to Magelang to look for work in my own city with a close to home. But what I wanted was no easy short story. Started thinking about the incident that might me have to go out go on a job. But will never mean that pass. Let's pass for immersion to get used to thinking long again. And finally, I started looking for work again and started from factory and a shop. Yes. Well, finally received at a private shop in the Magelang area with a salary of 25,000 25,000 rupiah every day. I have to be a shop assistant, a housekeeper that only lasts a month, a work that will look for another job that is even better, because I think 25,000 is also not enough day for one day and received at the garment in Semarang Kabupaten in Semarang Regency. After entered, I give up old work. I give up work. Ini kok ada semut. With new experience, new friends, begin to learn to learn respect the time, responsibility to live this life that needed a process to live that needed a process. As time goes by, I want to be better, but I made a mistake in making decisions again and made me almost give up to work. From 6 months I worked and went out unemployed at home for 3 months. At that time, a lot of the burden receiver that wanted at that was just being a street kid free from eating, but that not the way. Want to rest from the beginning and my belief. I know good will not give. I know good will not give triad beyond the limit of the servant, so I am sure I can get through it all as the effort and prayer of parents. The end of my story. Iya, itu cerita ya. The end of my story was received at a famous cigarette company in Kudus and meet with friend who help and will until now I left until I can go to collect at the University of Darul Islami Center Sudirman, Undaris Ungaran. Okay. All that I live one by one with a long process, and it is very valuable for myself. I hope we'll all success in the time. Thank you. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.